See, these allegations will always come whether we appoint A, B, or C. But the important matter, which I have also shared with you in the past, was that we had already approached and identified an individual whom we had recommended as chairperson of the Child Rights Commission. Ultimately, that particular individual declined the offer. So it took more time than was necessary. And I think on Saturday last, when we had met as a cabinet, the name of Ms. Agatha was proposed. This was after we had done due diligence on the matter, considering her experience in Parliament, considering her educational qualification, and also considering the fact that she has had long innings in public service. So those were major points that would stand to validate her being there as chairperson.
When was the cabinet, ma'am?
This was last Friday last.
Last Friday.
Yes.